Hi there, I've got some items today that I want to unbox. I've got from CSY Art Gallery some metallics that I want to have a look at. I've got a Uniball white gel pen, some black paper and some 100% cotton watercolor pad. So I'm just going to unwrap these and we're going to see how they perform. So let's have a look at these paints. So I'm hoping that they are really metallic-y and lovely. And that's the reason that I got the black pad for, just so I can see how they perform on top of white paper and on top of the black. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look at that. Lovely little segments. Golden rose there I've got. So some nice colours, it appears, but I have got to unwrap them. Pistachio blue, peacock green gold. Well, the names of them sound lush, so I'm hoping lavender, that they are as nice as they sound. A little bit fiddly to unwrap. I almost feel as though I don't want to unwrap them. They're so beautiful. But here goes. Just trying to get the back off here to open them up. Let's have a look what we've got. Okay, so inside the gold paper, oh, we've got a little tiny pan, and oh, look at that. Very metallic-y and lush. So I'll unwrap all of these and then we'll swab them out onto the black paper and also to the 100% cotton watercolor pad and see how they perform. So I've put them all back in a lovely little tin. There's a little section, two little sections for mixing the paint, which is so cute, and it folds up lovely just like that. Honey watercolors, natural and fresh, handmade from Germany. These are really nice. So I'm going to try these out. First one I'm going to try is this one here, the lavender. I'm just going to get a big brush, liberally put some colour on. I really don't know how these are going to perform, so I want to get a load of colour on just so I can have a good look at them. And I'm going to try putting it on the white. And this is supposed to be a lavender. Looks very bluish to me. I'll get some more. Get some more paint on the brush. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the black page and see how different that looks. Well, you can definitely see it's lavender on this black page. Definitely has more of a purpley tinge to it. It's very strange that this is almost a blue, a royal blue on the white page. So now we're going to peacock green gold. Again, a liberal amount on your brush. Getting it over to the page. And it says it's a green gold, yet it still looks a blue colour on the white page. Let's have a look here. Yeah, you can really see the greeny goldy peacock kind of look when you put it onto the black. Moving to the blue gold. very pale on the white page. Can't really see it that well, to be honest. Has a green tinge to it, which you can see when you look at it in the pan. It's a greeny kind of blue. Looks lovely on the black. Really, really nice. Now to the silver. Very blue-like. On the black page. Oh, that is lush. Oh, I'm loving it. Just so nice on the black page. Really stands out. Really effective. Pistachio blue. Okay, pistachio blue on the white has turned out to be very purple looking. This one's called Diamond Deep Purple. Can't really see that one on the page with the white background. Much better on the black. And Mermaid, this one's called. Lovely rich colour that looks like in the pan, so I'm hoping that it transfers onto the page in such a lush colour. So lighter on the white, and you can see it a little bit better on the black, just more of a metallic-y kind of colour. These might change as they dry, so we'll have to have a look at them when they've dried to see whether there's any changes there. Diamond purple. Oh, I love the way that looks. That's really nice. Look. Really lovely colour. Oh, very interesting on the black. So they're a little bit unpredictable, I would say, these paints, but I quite like unpredictable. Not knowing what you're going to get. Expecting one thing, getting something else. Just makes life a bit more interesting. So this is Elf Pink Gold. Next one we've got is a Golden Rose. Again, looks very vibrant in the pan. I imagine these are going to be very good when it coming up to Christmas and you want to make cards or make some Christmas decorations, just because they've got that metallic kind of sheen to them. And definitely work well with this black background. And they look surprisingly different on the white background. So then I'm just going to put this line down the middle, which is a glitter green. See whether we can see that. Not really, it's not really picking up on the black. Let's have a look at it on the white. So we're going to let these dry and see what they look like once they've dried. These have dried now, and you can see that on the black they are totally lush. You can really see the metallic reflection on these, and it's quite surprising when you come to the white sheet how different they look. You still get the metallic sheen on some of them, but in comparison to on the black piece of paper, the colours are so much more vibrant, I think, on the black. And they look so different on the white, almost as though they're different colours. Well, that's been really enjoyable. I'm sure I'm going to use these paints quite a lot over the coming months, especially with a dark background. Hope you've enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Okay then, thanks, bye.